What is it? Sure. Which song? Good choice. Alright, here goes. Waves touch the coast, harbored in twilight's blue. From dawn came sunlight, with dusk it fades from our view. Calm embraces the sky, while storms rage in our hearts. For honor, glory, and love, from Anvil we do depart. The fire lights the path, and the salt it sprays in our eyes. But warriors born of stone, they are never afraid to die. Bells on the docks, they cry out for the mortal day, and winds sing the dirge for the words we never could say. And sails fly out half-mast in the color of evening's hue, and tears break the silence for the children we almost knew. When dawn kissed the ocean, from the golden light came our birth. And when dusk falls on the harbor, to the golden shores we